Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Myself Muhammad Mumtaz Ahmad Khan. I am a student from Sri Chaitanya College and also I am a student of Mufti Asif Nadmi Qasmi. He is a good teacher. He has good experience how to teach every students. He has aimed to develop our Muslim community by guiding towards Quranic education. He has started his institute in the year 2005 for the sake of Muslim community at Mehdipatnam by the name of Institute of Arabic Studies. He teaches us spoken Arabic, Tajweed, Urdu, Arabic grammar, understand Quran and also Hajj and Umrah classes such as Nahu Sarf, which are under the light of Quran and Hadith. I am studying here since 2 months. Alhamdulillah, now I am able to read Quran with Tajweed. He wants his students to get attached with Quran and Hadith. By his experience, he taught many people from different countries. He is very helpful teacher. From when I had joined here, I got only benefit in studies. So I request our Muslim young brothers and sisters to join us to know the importance of Quran and Hadith. Inshallah, I am sure after joining here, you will see many changes in yourself. So please don't waste your precious time and join to us to know the importance of Quran and Hadith. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallahu Khaira.